Alright, so today's video is going to be about finding slope. First, we need to know what slope is. Slope is the steepness of a line. So what this looks like is y equals, you might have heard this before, rise over run. Or, in this case, y over x. Anytime that we're dealing with slope, y is always first, so y over x. Another way to remember this is u are over your x. U starts with y, x starts with, obviously, x. Well, it starts with e, but in this case, x. So, u are over your x. So, we are going to take a look at a few graphs, and we're going to figure out the steepness of a line using rise over run. Okay? So here we have our first graph. First thing you always need to do is make sure you plot some points on that line. Basically, finding anywhere where they connect right in the middle. So let's see. I have right here -2, 1. And then I have 2, 3. So what's going to happen is I'm going to rise over run. So I'm going to rise from the farmost left point. So I'm going to rise from here and go up 1, 2 to get to this line right here, so it's a straight shot over. I can count it by doing this. I can count as I move up, whichever helps you. So I know that this is 2. In order to run, I'm going to run from here to here, which looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, rise over run. So my rise was 2. And my run was 4. Now, my first question is, can I reduce this? Yes, I can. The highest number that they both go into is 2. So I'm going to divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my slope is 1/2. This is saying that the steepness of my line is 1/2. So that means from every point, it's exactly up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Okay? So that's one way to find it. And we're going to be focusing on this way with the rise over run. Sometimes you will be given just a blank graph and 2 random points. So I'm going to do -2, -4. And my second point, let's do 3, 3. Why not? So in order to graph a point, remember x is always first, then y. So I'm going to go over to -2 and go down -4. I am also going to do 3 and 3. Now, here's one way that you can do it. You can draw the line first, or you can draw it last. I'm going to draw the line last, just to be sure. So I'm going to rise from point -2, -4, all the way up into 3. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am going to run across, all the way to that point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is my slope? My slope is rise over run. I rose 7, and I went across 5. So my slope is 7 over 5. So if I draw my line, I can see that from one point to another, it'll be up 7 over 5. Oops. Up 7 over 5. So that means up 7 and over 5 would be the next point.